Washing your hands can help protect yourself and others from getting sick. To wash your hands properly, start by wetting your hands with clean, running water. Then, apply soap to your hands and rub them together to form a lather. Rub your palms, the back of your hands, in between your fingers, and under your nails. Keep scrubbing for at least 20 seconds, or the amount of time it takes to hum the happy birthday song twice. Finally, rinse your hands off under clean, running water and dry them with a clean towel. Use hand sanitizer to wash your hands if you don't have access to soap and water. However, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, hand sanitizer isn't as effective at killing germs as soap and water. So use soap and water whenever possible. Always wash your hands before and after preparing food, before eating, after using the bathroom, and after sneezing, coughing, or blowing your nose. You should also wash your hands before and after caring for a sick person or after touching an animal feed, or animal waste.